Are you worried about losing access to your Telegram account, or maybe you're wondering if it's possible to recover an account that's been deleted? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what happens when a Telegram account gets deleted, whether it's manual or automatic, and what, if anything, can be done to get it back. By the end of this video, you'll know how Telegram handles deleted accounts, and you'll have a clear path forward if you find yourself in this situation. Let's jump right in. First, it's crucial to understand that when a Telegram account is deleted, either by you or automatically due to inactivity, the deletion is permanent and all associated data, your messages, contacts, groups, and media, are completely erased from Telegram servers. This isn't just a temporary lockout, it's a complete wipe designed to protect user privacy. And if you're hoping that maybe the rules have changed over the years, for example, in 2021 or any other year, I'm sorry to say the policy is absolute. Once an account is deleted, Telegram does not keep any backups and there's no way to recover it. Now, account deletion happens in one of two main ways. First, let's talk about manual deletion. If you went onto Telegram's deactivation page or used the in-app option on an iPhone and confirmed that you wanted your account deleted, that process is final. There's no "are you sure" grace period, no magical undo button, and Telegram support cannot bring your data back for you. All of your conversations, connections, and shared files are gone. If you decide you want to use Telegram again, you can sign up with the same phone number, but the account is totally fresh, with no link to your previous chats or contacts. Imagine it like moving into a new house after the old one has burnt down. You can reuse the same address, but everything inside is gone. However, there's another scenario to consider: automatic deletion due to inactivity. Telegram has a self-destruct feature baked in for privacy reasons. If you don't log in for a set period, by default this is 6 months, though you can adjust it to 1, 3, or even 12 months in your settings, your account will be scheduled for deletion. But here's the important part: if you remember to log back in before the inactivity period is up, your account is safe. The deletion process will be cancelled, and you'll find all your chats and media just as you left them. So always try to check in before that time runs out if you think you're approaching the deadline. But if you miss it, and the full period goes by without a login, that's it, the account is wiped and recovery is off the table, exactly like manual deletion. So what options do you have if your account is already gone? The reality is you'll need to create a new Telegram account with your phone number. It's a clean slate, you'll have to reconnect with your contacts, and they'll see your old profile as deleted account in their chat lists. You might get questions from friends, so it's a good idea to let your key contacts know what happened so they can add your new profile. If you believe your account was deleted maliciously, for example, if someone hacked you and triggered the deletion, you can try reaching out to Telegram's support team. Be prepared though, that success is very rare for restoring deleted accounts, especially if deletion was confirmed. One more thing: sometimes people manage to save old messages or media by exporting their data before account deletion using Telegram Desktop's export tool. So if you happen to make a backup, now's the time to check your local computer or device for any saved chats or files. It could give you at least some of your information back. A crucial warning before we wrap up: please don't trust third-party services or anyone online claiming they can restore a deleted Telegram account. These are almost always scams, and you risk losing money or compromising your personal information. Alright, I hope this clears up what's possible and what's not when you're faced with a deleted Telegram account. I know this can be frustrating, but understanding the rules can help you plan your next steps confidently. If you found this video helpful, please tap like and drop a comment below if you have any questions or personal experiences to share. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.